How to fix the Facebook memories not showing up problem. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in order to fix the Facebook memories not working or not showing up, or you're not able to view it on your Facebook, let's go ahead and fix it right away. First, you need to go ahead and open your Facebook or Facebook Lite application. Then tap on the three lines in the top right corner. Scroll down and go to memories. And if you do not see any of your memories, even you have it on your Facebook, go back. Tap on Settings and Privacy, go to Settings. From this page, you need to simply go ahead and search for Memories. Now tap on this Memories Settings. And here, make sure that you have enabled this option over here that says Allow Notifications on Facebook. And also select where you receive these notifications. Once you do that, you'll be able to view your memories on the Memories tab. If not, update your Facebook app. Open your Play Store or App Store according to your device. Search for Facebook or Facebook Lite application, whatever you're using. And if you see an update button over there, simply go ahead and tap on update in order to update it to its latest version. Or you can also try clearing the cache. Go ahead, tap and hold onto the Facebook application, tap on the eye icon in the top, scroll down, tap on storage, then click on clear cache. You can also check the web version if you're using it. And then try logging out of your specific account and log back in and see if the memories can be viewed. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.